There we go. Now we're streaming all over the dang place, bro. How's everyone doing? If you guys could give me some taps for likes whenever you guys get in here, I'd appreciate it. I donate $10 for every 1,000 likes that I get. So U.S. job openings. Let's see. Actual was 8.059 million versus 8.48 million. Previous estimated 8.37 million. So it was actually worse than expected. U.S. factory orders. Actual 0.7% versus 1.6%. Previous estimate 0.7. So that was pretty much on point. I think we're gonna get a mean reversion offer here, especially with the 5,300 right here. See if we get a mean reversion type trade here in a little bit. Dude, appreciate the follow there, bro. Dave, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Where I wonder where all my people. Oh, let's see here. I can see who's in here right now. Tony, what's up? Fishstick, Ryan, Atomic, Bill, Independent Mortgage Broker. What's up, guys? Right now, we had some news right here at the top of the hour, so I don't, I don't think that the market's going to continue to move up. I think we're going to mean revert right here, but we'll continue to just. Oops, wait. Where's my chat? There it is. Oh, I gotta have this up in note. Oh, that's dumb. There we go. Oops. Jobs don't matter to the Fed. Let's see. Jobs, where the. Jobs don't matter to the Fed. Inflation is still high. There we go. Tampa Bay, what's up, brother? How you doing? I don't have enough room for everything on my... I need another monitor. Yeah, I'm on TikTok and YouTube at the same dang time. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions, any other tickers, like I don't know what the one right now that my guy was asking me about. This what is it, MBLO or something like that? It was a small cap. Damn it, dude. What's the ticker symbol for it? Don't pay anyone to learn how to trade. Ask Chat GPT, read books, YouTube, and take your time. Well, the good thing is that I don't charge to learn how to trade from me. So our Discord and everything is completely free. Chat GPT is not... It's a really good resource, but it's not the only resource. And it doesn't give you contextual things on the way the market is written. And it's just... Trading is like any other skill, dude. Like any other skill. Like you could read about and you could ask Chat GPT all about riding a bicycle all day long, dude. And until you go and you actually get on a bicycle and you fall off a couple times, you're not gonna get any better at it. Just like any other skill. So book reading, like you're saying, and watching videos and stuff like that, it doesn't... I see what you're saying, like, and I understand what you're saying, what by not by you saying not to learn from anyone, right? But it doesn't, again, it doesn't hold any water on it because it's still a skill. You still have to have it practiced. And when you have someone that's there to guide you over the speed bumps and other little like things that happen as it's happening, you can't have Chat GPT exactly tell you when to take trades and stuff like that. Like Chat GPT doesn't even have real-time stock data connected to it. There's not anything like that. So that's if you're trading person, you're a trading mentor, you're a trading community leader, whatever you want to call it. If they tell you otherwise, right, where they could just tell you signals to buy and sell, yeah, that's absolutely incorrect. But where we should be being here is pointing out inefficiencies in the market, and for you to be able to recognize them whenever you're in a trade, so then you recognize in real time. Because if you can't recognize things that are happening in real time and you just go and you're just always studying, you're behind. Does that make sense? So again, I do definitely understand what you're trying to say, but you have to be able to practice. And if you have someone to guide you while you're actually doing it, it's totally different. MLGO, dude. I'm all over here scrolling trying to find it. All right, there's 8.5 on there. So again, if this starts getting like volume divergent up here, like I'll tell you where I would take the short on this. I'll put it to the side right here on this QQQ. MLGO. And so the SPY did come back down, right? Yeah, so the SPY, I told you guys I would be looking for the mean reversion right here on this little spike up. Exactly. And that's exactly what I mean, dude. Like, you could read about trading or you could practice getting better at trading, right? It's a skill, just like anything else, like practicing medicine or practicing law or practicing, a trade or, any type of craftsmanship. You're not going to get better at just reading about it. A good example is, exactly, bro. A good example is, if I don't know if you guys follow Jesse James. Jesse James, the bike builder, West Coast Choppers and stuff like that. Do you guys see like the cool shit that this dude just built by hand? Do you know what I mean? This thing working? Yeah, dude. I see your comment right here, Evan, on the YouTube. So yeah, like Jesse James, the bikes that he builds and stuff like that. He even builds like pistols and stuff like that and everything now. And everything is hand built, right? If I were to go and I start like try to build something that he makes, the very first day, it's not going to turn out right. It's not going to turn like crap. He's had years and years and years of experience to try to hone his craft to make it better, right? And so it's the same thing with this, where and one of my favorite things, what someone told me when I was sorry, now I'm on TikTok, no worries. One of my favorite things someone told me when I was younger, or not younger, but more novice trader, was that there's no B, C, or minor league of trading, right? Like, even in professional sports, there's a minor league in baseball. There's, like a C or D league in the NBA. All these things, right? Where you could, hone your skills and whatever, and then you get called up to go play professional. In trading, that's not the case, guys. You get thrown into the professional league where there's no D or C or minor league at all. You get thrown to the Sharks right away. There is no practice league where it's only just beginner traders, or less experienced traders or anything like that. You have, the odds are stacked against you, to be quite honest. You're underfunded. The hedge funds and banks and everything that are trading on the market have unlimited capital to be able to do whatever they want and be able to influence, to say nicely without using the word manipulation, influence the market the way that they want it to move, and things like that. So for you to come in and into the professional league and think that you're going to be 100% successful the first time that you try doing it is just absolutely ignorant, to say the least. Oh, dude, we got a couple new followers. So I'm trying to get to 3,000. You guys see that? I got like 7 more to get to 3,000 here, guys. So now, like, now with this, the way that this looks here, guys, so we've been going kind of sideways. We had this little pop-up. A little more of a pop-up here, and a little bit more volume divergent. Somewhere within the next probably 20 minutes or so, I would like to see this dip and then us to get to 525. But yeah, that's absolutely it. And if you don't want to learn the skill of trading, right, of discretionary trading, I should say, then and you're learning algorithmic trading and the mathematics of it and things like that, that's a totally different skill. And there's still practice and that goes into all of that. Like, you can't just think you're gonna do an EMA crossover and be absolutely crazy profitable. Why does the price gap up overnight? Overnight when the market is closed? Like, you mean on the SPY? Is that what you mean? So the futures trade 2025. excuse me, 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. So the futures open on Saturday. Excuse me, the futures open on Sunday at 5 p.m. I think Central Time, and then they close on Friday at the market close of the NYSE. So what happens is there's like the other markets in the world are able to go ahead and trade like our market, like our basically like our shares. They have like shares available to them to be able to be traded, right? So like at about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning is when the London Open happens, and so like right here, about right here, yeah, right here, I would say, is where the London Open happened, and you can see where this is where we started like dumping a lot more aggressively as soon as the London Open, the open to the London market happened. And so what it is that other markets in the other world, the way that they're trading our products, basically, so our futures, our products, and things like that. So they have access to be able to trade them as well. And the thing is that our market, the NYSE and Nasdaq, is the most liquid market in the world. So we have more liquidity and volatility and everything for the way that the actual market moves. Does that make sense? So it's the other markets in the world like Hong Kong. There's an Indian market. Japan has been influencing the market quite a bit because of their the way they're trying to stimulate their economy and stuff. What else? Hong Kong. I think there's a bunch of them. Does that make sense? So here's that pop-up that I was telling you that I want here on the lower volume. So once we get rejected off of like 527 or so right here, this would be the entry here downside. And then I would be looking for down to like 525 or so. That's if we could break this area right here. We don't continue just moving up, but I believe that we're gonna come back further down. There we go. Now we're getting purples here. We're getting a little bit more momentum to the upside. So can someone in the USA trade the other world's markets? Yeah, absolutely. You could trade like the London market. And there's definitely like European companies that are listed on the, London market, European market that aren't listed on the NYSE and stuff like that. See ya, bro. Dude, appreciate you, Evan. Yeah, so if you want to trade like the um, Japan market or whatever, even like I think Australia or New Zealand has their own market and stuff too. You could definitely do that, but again, it's not as liquid as like our market, and there might not be as much movement as the way that our market is. Generally, everyone else in the world likes to trade our market instead of their own or whatever. All right, so there's the rejection of the 527 like we just talked about here, back down. We may get one or maybe a little bit more of a push up here in another candle or so, but I believe this is the next lower high that we're having here. And then again, like I said, to break this area, and then 525 is the target. And I know when the market's going sideways like this, guys, it isn't the most interesting and exciting thing here. You could also see, like here on the NASDAQ, we rejected, right? We rejected right here. So, and these pivot lines, and then we would have a target more towards like this. First 18,550 and then 525. Ooh, so our algorithm just took a trade here, but we'll have to see who wins here, because so for you guys watching, our algorithm looks like this. I'll give you guys so so we are having we are going to have a major update. I think I was supposed to get some stuff last night, but I didn't get anything. So this is what it looks like right now. If you go ahead and you press, you guys could all see this and everything, right? So this is what it looks like. If you come in and you press Connect Broker, you'll get a pop-up right here. It says Connect Broker. You would choose live or demo based off of like you have Apex or you just want to demo like paper trade to see how it works. And then live right here, obviously, if you have your own funded account. And then you just put in your regular credentials into the broker. So it looked like this. Squish it down a little bit for you so you guys can see the whole thing. You'll just press login with after putting in your credentials, either Ninja or Tradeovate is the same thing. And then you'll see where it's now changed to Disconnect Broker, and you can see your accounts. So this is your account. You choose your quantity, you choose your ticker, and then you just go ahead and turn it on, and you have your trades that it's going ahead and taking here. So like right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on the trade here. So on the trading view, you have the visual representation of it actually taking these trades. So I was working on another code right there. So it actually got in right here, and is it currently still in this trade? So yeah. Dude, I don't know why this changed to the left-hand side here, bro. Like, how do I change? I don't know how to change it. I don't know why it changed to the left-hand side. Invert scale. I just probably screwed that up. Yeah, I don't know what, but right now it's currently in the trade right now. So, you see, so right now it's down $450 right now on the ES, which it should. Oh, it actually got out of the trade. Excuse me. So it stopped out. So it got in right here and then it stopped out for a loss of $450. Oh, here we go. There we go. Now it's way better. So if you guys are interested in the algorithmic trading, it is only $399 for you to be able to sign up right now before we get all the updates and all the cool multi-strategy stuff on the new platform, which is going to be very, very soon. After that, the price is going to go up pretty significantly. So this is a little bit more volume divergent right here. So like if you're taking a look, we're getting these higher highs right here. So high, 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 high. But the volume is also getting lower as we're moving higher. So again, this is what I wanted here, and eventually a reject and then come back further down. And I think the algorithm just got back into the trade right here. Yeah, so it just got back into the trade right here. So the NASDAQ, oh, here we go. So like on this MLGO, it popped back up to this $8. And if it rejects this $8, then this would be the area that I would be looking for the short right here on this MLGO. Yeah, it looks like the NASDAQ is going to drag up the ES and the S&P. So again, the algorithm is in this trade now. It is now up $162 on this trade. So you guys could tell me like if you want, if you guys want me to just kind of show you this one. I don't know why my screen looks all blurry. So there's that rejection of 8. Now we're back down to 7. Like I said, this would be around the area right here where I would have looked for the short right here on MLGO. So then the stop being high of day. So again, for you guys that are here hanging out, I am short bias off of this area right here. Like I said, the target being 525. Excuse me. It'd be nice if we get just a huge like down candle all at the same time. So we're coming down a little bit more slowly now. Oh, there's a big old push up here on MLGO. That would have been a stop out. I want to know why Google Chrome like takes so much memory to run, dude. All right, so our algorithm is saying buy on everything here, guys. So right now it's in this ES right here, so it's up $12.50, and then it just bought NQ as well. So on the NQ, it's up a little bit bigger right now. Let me show you right here. So it's up $1,805 on this trade right here. There we go. MLGO over $10 now. This thing is going crazy. Mm-mm. And it's, ooh, now MLGO is, oh, I thought it was halted to the upside. But our purple candles are catching MLGO freaking perfectly right here. Is it halted? Now it's halted, right? Ooh, there we go. There's a little bit more downside. Ooh, no. Yeah, we're unhalted. We're at 1235. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to call it a trading morning here. Well, I got like 10 minutes till top of the hour here. So, I didn't take any discretionary type trades or anything like that. The algo says saying to get out right here. It lost the momentum. It's kind of going back and forth. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're going to go a little bit faster downside now. Alright, so here comes the NQ a little bit further downside. Oh yeah, that was a nice rejection. There we go. Come on down, market. Ramp Hill Capital, what's up, brother? Good morning. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. There we go. Now we're starting to work ourselves down a little bit, bro. I don't know if you guys know Spanish or not. If you guys know this song, this song is kind of wild because it's about a girl that hits up the dude that she's all alone and that he should come over, and he stops buy some weed, stops buy some condoms, and then he gets to her house, and and it was a setup. She set him up and they killed him. There we go. There's the move I was looking for. A little bit further. We're gonna get to the target. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting off here, guys. It's top of the hour here, pretty much now. Um, I don't, I don't know why I don't really like playing downside that much anymore. But I mean, I could see where it's gonna happen. Um, but that was obviously the plan where I was marking out the volume divergence, right? So the volume this way, and then upwards like this. So that now this is coming down. Again, the target's 525. So 527 to 525 right here on the SPY is actually really dang good. So for you guys again, yeah, that's fine. Um, yeah, I think we're all set here, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out. If you guys want to check out the link in my profile, there's all the details there for the Discord and free Discord, I should say, and if you for the algorithm and things like that. I will try to go live throughout the day a little bit more so that we could go over like what's happening in the market. Gonna get ready, go eat some breakfast and go to the gym, and then I'll check you back in a little bit. So if you're here on YouTube, appreciate you coming and hanging out as well, so you guys can see how this is kind of working out. And again, I will check in a little bit to um, go over the trades for the day and everything as well. Okay.